Hiya, it's Bruce Fumi here. The 16th of September 2020 is an important day in history. Not for Scotland, but for me. And for any of the folks that regularly watch my Scottish history videos. So, this video is for the folks who regularly watch my videos, who like them, look forward to them, and want more of them. If you're not in that group, then this video is not for you. Look away now. This is for the aficionados, my community, my people. So, what happened today was Scotland History Tours reached 4,000 hours of watch time for the year. Woohoo! That's because of you lovely people. I can say that because the folk that don't watch have gone now, right? Now, what this all means is that I can join the YouTube Partner Programme. When that happens, there will be adverts on the videos. Now, don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you can avoid them in a bit. But I thought this would be a good time to talk about how we can keep the channel going permanently. You see, when I started this, it was a bit of fun while COVID stopped me working as a comedian and a tour guide. And up until now, it's been my wife that effectively has been funding this, right? Because she's got a proper job. But gradually, this has kind of become my job because I feel I need to deliver for you guys every week. So, on this Watershed Day, I want to tell you 4 ways that you can help me make these videos a permanent feature. Now, 2 of the things involve no cost whatsoever, and 2 involve making a contribution to help with the costs of running the channel. Now, there are already people who have done all of these things, and I'm really grateful to them, but I'm hoping I can persuade more of you. So here goes. Number 1, become a patron. You can do this at www.patreon.com/Scotland History Tours, right? Now, this is the way that makes most difference in terms of making the channel permanent going forward. I've got 18 patrons right now, and each of these lovely people commit to membership of Scotland History Tours at varying levels. £1 a month, £3 a month, £5 a month, or £25 a month. Right? Now, the nasty people at Patreon charge VAT, even although I'm not VAT registered. If anyone can find me a platform that does the same but doesn't rip off with VAT, then I'd happily change. But you do get stuff, right? Depending on what level you choose, you get extra videos that aren't published to the public, videos of full-length theatre shows that I've done, and stuff like that. You can even suggest what other benefits would be of interest to you. Also, because they get early release of the weekly videos before they're made public, patrons will get a day or so to watch them without adverts. So even if you just want to avoid adverts, contribute £1 a month and watch the videos in the first 24 hours, and that way you get cooler stuff at the higher levels, obviously, right? Okay, but this option really helps to keep the thing permanent. In fact, if I get a total Patreon support up to £300 per month, then I'll guarantee to keep running the channel throughout the winter. Now, £300 a month doesn't pay me, but it does pay for fuel to film in Sutherland, Skye, Dumfries, Edinburgh, St Andrews, blah, blah, blah. Number 2. Now, some people don't want to make regular contributions. I get that. So there's also a page where you can go from time to time and buy me a one-off coffee. It's set up for multiples of £3 because that's about the cost of a coffee. Now, you don't actually get anything extra for that, but it will help me make these videos a permanent feature. Somebody last week bought me 15 coffees. I was blown away, right? That's like 45 quid. That's not coffee, that's whiskey. The thing is that if he joined as a £5 Patreon, he would have got extra videos, comedy shows, and stuff like that for months. So maybe that's worth thinking about. Now, I'm not giving the guy a hard time, right? I was so delighted. I'm just saying that the Patreon membership gets you stuff that the coffee buying doesn't. Right, let's get real. Everybody doesn't have spare cash right now, but they still want to hear about Scotland's history, and I want them to, right? So, number 3 and 4 cost nothing. YouTube adverts don't pay a lot unless you've got like squillions of views, right? Like if I had a makeup channel. No? Okay. Obviously, the more folk that watch, the better. So, you can help by telling YouTube to show more people the videos. Here's what YouTube looks for. Did people give the video a thumbs up? Did people share the video with a friend? Did people comment on the video? Did people click to watch another of my videos at the end? Did people watch all the way through? Doing each of these things makes YouTube show my videos to more people, and you can help me by doing any of these things, right? Number 4, anytime you want to buy something on Amazon, then do it via one of the video pages on my website, www.scotlandhistorytours.co.uk. Go to the website, select any video page. There will be an Amazon logo at the top of the page. If you click through to search for your Amazon stuff that way, then Amazon will give me a tiny wee bit of cash whenever you buy stuff, right? It costs you nothing, so please do that. Anyway, I don't want to harp on. This video was intended for the regular supporters. If you like the videos and you want to keep them coming, then like, share, comment, binge watch, become a patron, buy me a coffee, or some combination of them all. There's a link in the description below and in the comment section that will take you to the support page on my website. So come on and join the club. I mean, Doc is going to be Lam Ally. Cheery.